this book. It's called First Step of Money. It's written in Telugu language, and the gentleman is none other than Money Guru Dr. Raj Shekhar. He's known as Money Guru in the Telugu state. Many congratulations to you. Okay, one more thing before I hand over the mic to him, because time comes at 3 minutes dinner. The another good thing is both of us were sitting together in our office, and we discussed on some topic, and finally we give it a shape of a book. क्योंकि घर का publishing house है, हम ही नहीं करेंगे तो फिर कौन करेगा? And the title of book is very interesting. It says, God is on leave.
Ooh, wow.
So, ladies and gentlemen, written by me and Dr. Briefly talk about the concept of the book and how it is started. First step of money.
Better you would have not given me the mic. देख के बोलते हो मत बात करो क्या है यार ये? Okay. And this is the what we call होता है ना कभी-कभी अजूबा जो होता है अपनी लाइफ में उनमें से एक ये है. The concept of this book is designed, confined and framed in 5 minutes.
Yes.
Just 5 minutes. मैं ऑफिस में गया कुछ कहीं और प्रोग्राम से मैं आ रहा था आते आते मैं बोला यार ये ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है तो उन्होंने कुछ कमेंट किया मैंने कुछ कमेंट किया व्हाई डू वी टर्न इट इनटू अ बुक बोला 5 मिनट के अंदर फ्रेमवर्क हो गया टॉपिक्स डिसाइड हो गए फिर मैं घर गया 24 घंटे के अंदर अंदर मैंने उनको फ्रेमवर्क दे दी फिर उन्होंने इसको डेवलप किया. This book is in front of you.
Wow, wonderful.
I humbly say, this book was not written by us in any way. This book is not at all written by us in any way. This book had came through us on its own. Because कभी होता है ना अपने ऑफिस में छुट्टी लगाते हैं तो लीव लेटर देते हैं ना तो God had given leave letter through us. So that's what it is. Yes, sir.
Sir, I have a question regarding the poster. Although the poster is pretty controversial to me, I'm just sharing this part. So there must be some reason behind, any conviction reason that you have that poster and the title.
This one.
The God is on leave and the poster.
This one.
Image.
Yeah, this one generally it is a pedestal on which the God's idol used to be there. So that is missing here.
So there some thought process you must have now before you have created this.
Yes, that's what
I just want to.
Usually what we do, we used to imagine God on pedestal. So on the pedestal he is missing.
Okay.
So he is on leave.
Yeah. So I need that reason basically. I needed that the thought process basically.
He's asking for the reason that.
That's what I say. So we want to express that God is on leave. So first we have to create a situation where he is present.
Okay.
Then we have to make him absent.
Okay.
तो ये आ गया presence उनका, ये हो गया absence उनका. अब ये हो गया इंसान जो भी बोल रहे अरे अभी तो तू यहाँ था ये सीट पे बंदा था अभी कहाँ गया बंदा छुट्टी पर गया. That's the our credit goes to Vinny ji, creative, the most creative guy. And he's they are very much many इनके ऊपर मुझे बहुत सारे कंप्लेंट वो मेरे किताब का है इस बारे में हो गया. अब इसके बारे में आपको कहना है This is first step to money magnet. This book, humbly I say, that after being listed in Amazon, it reached Amazon bestseller in 48 hours. I say to people humbly. Okay? The truth is, it was in 6 hours.
Oh wow.
We cannot read it in 6 hours. Then I was in some other town, maybe in Mumbai or somewhere I was there. He said, sir, today in the morning we are posting it in Amazon. Morning. By noon he called me and said, he sent me directly a photograph of bestseller.
और
अब 6 घंटे में हो गया. अब 6 घंटे में पटाला I say to the outside people, I have many doubts that people will not believe. इसीलिए मैं बोला नहीं 48 घंटे. People were comfortable with it. It's okay. I wanted to make people comfortable.
बिलीवेबल हो गया.
Believable हो गया. मतलब नहीं ठीक है. 48 hours में आप ऐसे खुश रहो, हम ऐसे खुश रहो. So this magic man does many things like that. आप कुछ भी बोलो, एक ही जवाब आएगा. हो जाएगा. तो ये भी ऐसा हो ही जाएगा. Thank you.
Great. Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot.